Okay, friends, how are you? This came yesterday, and this is the way it came. This is a newtall, a brushless impact driver, and it came in this, already came in this box, in this box. It comes with a 20-volt battery. This little packet of drill bits, which is kind of unimpressive, but yeah, it comes with this, an adapter, and a power supply, and a belt clip. This one is $60. It's $60. And it's rated at 180 Newton meters, which the internet says converts to 132 foot-pounds. This one, which I haven't reviewed, but I've used quite often, is only $37. It is a brush motor, and it comes with 6 drill bits. 6 of these number 2s, which is, I guess, 12 because they're double-sided. And, you know, the usual power supply, the power recharger. And this one is 280. This one is 280 Newton meters, or that's 206 foot-pounds. So let's put these side by side real fast. So the brushless, the advantages of brushless are that more efficient. They're supposed to be 85 to 90% efficient, and the brush motors are only 75 to 80% efficient. Because there's no friction, because they're brushless, there's less heat, and you can use them, and less energy loss, so you get more out of your battery because it's more efficient and less heat. So there's no friction, no heat, and so that means the tool should last longer. So we're going to test drive this one with using one of these, and another adapter for I have another adapter so we can, well, here it is. We're going to use this one. This adapter for this screw. I'm going to put it into my fence. So I'm going to do 2 tests up with the brushless, because they're not in equal comparison, are they? So that's the whole. There they are. That's the whole thing. They're not equal comparison. They're not the same. They're not rated at the same power. But let's see if 132 foot-pounds is good enough for home use. 60, 37. Those are probably the main things you want. But the price is always the number one. The number one thing. So next stop is the outside. Hello, friends. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed because I need to hold the camera. So let's see. Okay, that was quite a test. And it got it in there. Let's try the small, that was a tough screw, so let's see how the other one works. Be right back.